Now, good evening, dear students. Now, in this series, we will see at types of data structure. The first one is linear, like array, queue, and we have that stack. This is known as linear type of data structure. When each element of a data structure has only one successor and one predecessor, arranged in a sequential manner. So this type of data structure is known as array, which linear data structure, sorry. And when we come to non-linear data structure like tree or graph, like we take example of this element, it has only one element is here, one element is here, one element is here, one element is here. So this tree and graph, we see there is no not only one successor or one predecessor, they are multiple in that. So this is the difference between tree and graph. Static data structure are the data structure in which one element is arranged in a linear fashion. And in dynamic data structure, like linked list, we can take example of integer like arr10. So we have fixed the value of int arr10. This means that it can take 10 values at a time, it is fixed. But in dynamic data structure like linked list, we are using it dynamically as we require, at memories allocated at runtime. Thank you from this part of lecture series. In next lecture series, we will go to an important topic, that is asymptotic analysis, which we will cover tomorrow. Thank you.